for it from this point on, right? 15x on pachinko. Something like that. Coin flip, 10x. Good luck. Thank you, all. Thank you so much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, hello. You miss me? Hey. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I'm Santa. I'll be here with you for the next session here. So, yeah. Well, let's see how things will move forward from this point on, right? 15x on pachinko. How about that? Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Well, can we catch that though? Let's find out. That'll be a start of the session though. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Well, how about that, ladies and gentlemen? Let's start this session with a bang. How about that? Let's go. Okay. Calm down, Santa. Calm down. Yeah, let's check those multipliers first, okay? So we got 2x is the smallest one. Let's go. Let's pile it up, baby. 15x in all of this. So that being said, whoa. Okay, look at those downstairs, guys. Look at those multis all across the board there. 375x is the biggest one here, so let's make that drop file task. Let's go. Oh, man. Let's go. Ooh, I'm like a werewolf wolfing right now, rooting for the best case scenario. Yes, baby! This is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about, guys. 225x is all yours. We started the session with a nice bang. Ka-ching, baby! Yes.
I just called them today, and they were like, yeah, you can set an appointment December, but if you need, earlier than that, you can just call every morning to us and check if there's, any free spots. It was like, okay, thanks for nothing, so something like that. Coin flip, 10x, everyone. Good luck. Would be awesome to get this one. Yes, we got it! Yes! Everyone! That is going to be coin flip with 10x multiplier. Perfect spin. You're welcome. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's get the 100x on initial, okay? Okay, oh my goodness, we have other 20 on the red and 500 on the blue. Wow, this is a big pressure on me, guys. I really want to get the blue side. Let's get the blue side. Let's all say out loud, blue side. So blue. Yes! Woo! We did it! We did it! Everyone, that is going to be 500x multiplier. Oh my goodness. Congratulations. 100,000 for the top. I'm going to pound.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.